Shmai Bradar, good morning and welcome to our live broadcast of morning worship from St Cadmar's Church on the outskirts of Builth, Wales on this Sunday morning. The church looks very impressive and very ancient, but in fact it was only constructed during the Great War, the First World War. This particular church is very poignant to a lot of Welsh people, especially to myself, because it was here that Theophilus Evans was the rector of this parish. But his curate was William Williams, the Welsh prolific hymn writer, who actually composed and wrote, "Guide me, O Thou Great Jehovah, come Rhondda." So I think it's fitting on this Sunday morning that we begin our morning worship with Come Rhondda. A happy Sunday to you all. Just the side of me in St. Cadmar's Church here is the plaque that commemorates John Penri. He was born not far from here, just down in the valley, and he campaigned so much for the Bible to be in the Welsh language and for preaching from the pulpit to be done in the Welsh language, but he was hanged as a Puritan. So in a moment of quiet reflection, we pray for John Penri and for his bravery in campaigning for the Welsh language.
Well, a very good morning and welcome to this live broadcast of Sunday morning worship. And so we begin with the Hail Dargar. Hail Dargar Senior, Hail Nocht och Nipt or Reithum Achum, Leithith Okra Thinnig, Och Giveth Sition Dom Sigir. Hail ya Asir, Hail a Hos Senior, Hail Sior in Nitun Fold Mol ac Manvit, Giveth Okra Baron Fem, Och Last Nis Henry, Mithium, Livum. And so here in the sanctuary, in the peace and in the safety of this holy place, we come together before the holy flame burning before us live, the presence of the divine amongst us. And so we begin now the offerings of the morning. And we'll hear in Welsh the offerings being given. Light before us, mystic holy flames, sanctuary of peace and wisdom, illumination of love and peace, light of the divine, bless us with your light. Colani hol blaeni, flamau'r sanctaidd cyfrin, Nothfa heddwch ar doerthyneb, Coleo cariad a heddwch, Goleini a drifiol bendithiani bolani. By this light, we are in stillness, wisdom before us, divinity before us. May these holy flames ascend our prayers. Gana colaini hom, radimiwn Llanwrtyd, doerthyneb gerin bron, Dwi'n nefiaeth o'n blaen, Bafuriaeth flamau sancti'r hyn, Esgyn hyn gwyddiau. And so we conclude the morning prayers with the Lord's Prayer in the reconstructed ancient Norse language. Feddrwy, ffwth ei alto hil fan nhw. Syth i'n namau algord, tobig mathyn rydja. I war a thyn wyla, o ner o waswam, hithair nhw. O'r neu a naif wam ligen laf, swili hors to die. And for new force or ei glithas, swaswa way for away, thom gultendom. And nial ar thus har custom ge, ac ei lws hwrs of ei file, soth legia. And so we conclude the morning worship, as we do every Sunday, by singing the hymn, "With Joy We Meditate." From here, in the sanctuary life on this Sunday morning, my blessings to you all as your pastor. Happy Sunday.
I'm always fascinated by St Cadmarsh's church. It does give the appearance of a very old church, because in Wales, that is exactly it. Most churches stem from the 9th, 10th and the 11th century, some even older. And it does give the illusion that this is a very ancient church, but it was only, as I mentioned at the beginning of our morning service, it was built during the First World War. There is, of course, another controversy to this particular church, because there isn't a saint by the name of Cadmarsh. I have been looking through reference books, and Cadmarsh may be the son of the King of Breck. It certainly is a fascinating church, and if you ever do come up this way into Mid Wales, do come to see St Cadmarsh's church, and to pay your respects here to one of the most bravest people who campaigned, John Penri, who campaigned so much for the Bible to be in Welsh and for the preaching in churches to be in the Welsh language. From here on this Sunday morning, my blessings to you all, wherever you are around the world. Have a fantastic Sunday.